Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you have problem, iPhone problems, this accessory may not be support. So how you can fix it? So mostly it happened because you just use unsupported cable. So you just need to change your cable, charging cable. So mostly it helps. Also, another thing you can try to update your phone, so sometimes it also helps too. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also you can try to restart your phone, so just go to the general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.